Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking and unblocking numbers on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the phone icon in the bottom left corner of your home screen to open the phone app. Tap the three vertical dots button in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the options. In Settings, tap Block Numbers at the top. Then on the Block Numbers page, type the number you would like to block where it says Add Phone Number. Then tap the green plus to the right of the number to block the number. You can also tap Recents to choose a recently contacted number to block, or tap Contacts to choose someone from your contacts to block. When a number is blocked, you won't receive any calls or messages from that number. If you would like to unblock a number, then tap the minus button to the right of the blocked number. The number will then be unblocked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.